Hey, what's up, guys? I wanted to make a video today sharing with you a niche that I found that is starting to trend and that I think will do very well as we get closer to the Halloween niche. But before I show you the niche, I just want to do a plug of my course that I just uploaded onto Gumroad for Redbubble. So it's a Redbubble course. It's a masterclass step by step. Let me go to the main page right here. It's only 20 bucks. But basically what I did is I just took my course from Skillshare and I just downloaded the classes and uploaded them onto Gumroad so that you can just buy it straight up, because maybe you guys have been seeing my course on Skillshare and you have to become a member, so maybe you're not a member, you don't want to pay the membership fee each month, but here you can just pay a one-time fee. It's only $19.99, and basically what you get is 20 lessons, and it's over an hour long of highly valuable content to help you become successful on Redbubble. And you can take a look at my, this is from Skillshare right here. That's the course, and you can just look at the reviews. An excellent class in which I learned a lot. This is a very informative class. I took a few POD classes before, but this one offers tips that I didn't know about. And then this course was great, so I got some good reviews. I think I have over 120 students for this. So if you're interested, I'll leave the link in the description if you want to learn more about Redbubble. This is good for like beginners and people making less than $100 a month. I think this would be good for those type of people. Let's get back to the niche here. So the niche is due to the economy. This is my costume, and this is going to be good for Halloween. And one of the reasons why I really like this niche, first, you're going to see it's low in competition. It's only 106 results. But what I've noticed over the years is that whenever there's a holiday coming up, whether it's Valentine's Day, Halloween, Christmas, Easter, if you can just cross niche it with like the main news story of the year. So like for this year, if you've been following the news, you'll know that the main story has pretty much been inflation, recession, bad economy. The year before, or last year, it was the vaccine. Then the year before that, it was COVID. So if you just take whatever the main news story is for that year and then just cross niche it, to whatever holiday is coming up, it has a good chance to do very well. So this right here is due to the economy. This is my costume, so you can see it's a funny Halloween t-shirt. But if you think about like the next holiday that's coming up, like Thanksgiving, and it just kind of popped into my mind, you can do something like, due to the economy, we couldn't afford turkey, and you can have like a photo of like a a pigeon or a chicken. That just popped into my mind. But the point I'm trying to make is just whatever holiday is coming up, try and cross niche it with the main news story for the year, basically. All right. So yeah, again, this is the phrase, low competition. If we go to test, we're going to see that nothing pops up. That's the phrase. We hit enter. You'll see that it's good to go. Competition on the other sites are low as well. So Etsy, only 105 results. Redbubble, I think was like 400. Yeah, 434. TeePublic, probably going to be low as well. So you can see not too many results either. So this could be a good niche for us. Now, something's going on with Amazon where they're not showing the BSRs. Now, this has happened before. I've seen this happen before. Usually what happens after like a week or two, they'll come back. So, maybe these designs are selling, because if we look right here, we'll see that these results, have reviews, so obviously have sales, but no BSRs popping up. So I don't know what's going on, but like I said, usually it just takes like a week or two, and they'll get the BSRs back up. But I apologize for not posting any new videos the past couple of days. Just been kind of busy, but I found this niche, and I thought it was a good one. I think it's kind of funny, to be honest, for Halloween. It could be a good opportunity for us. The way to probably attack this niche would be to, you want to use some type of like Halloween font. So you can go to, what's it called, Creative Fabrica. You can just search for any type of Halloween font, and that's going to help. Use, clip art graphics from, Vexels, maybe, for example, like a pumpkin or something like that. And you just want to use this phrase right here. All right, so that's going to be the niche for today's video. If you like it, give it a like, subscribe to this kind of content if you like this kind of content, and also check out my course on Redbubble. If you're interested, the link will be in the description. It's only $19.99. All right, thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.